Hello everyone, this is Daniel over at Big Tree Solutions. Today I'd like to show you the new GeoStrict mode feature, the zone mapping feature, as well as the restaurant max distance feature. The first thing I want to go over is the GeoStrict feature. If you go ahead and click on Settings, and then click on Customize Ordering Experience, you'll notice there's a new option called Enable Geocoding Strict Mode. And essentially what this does, if you have it enabled, is it forces a customer to enter an address that geocodes to a perfect match. So a customer will no longer be able to just enter their zip code with this enabled. They will be required to enter their address one along with their zip code. That way we know exactly where they're at, and from there we can limit their delivery or show them the correct fee, the exact fee that they'll be charged for that particular delivery. So with that enabled, let's go out to the locations and I'll show you the zone mapping. Click on the zoning tab. You'll notice there's a new button here called Map. Let's go ahead and click on that. And what we've got here is the ability to draw out polygons for your particular delivery zip codes. So as you can see, if I click on this, I can see that this belongs to 65203. And this is the area that I want available for that zip code. So if you start an order and your zip code is 65203, if you're not in this delivery polygon, then we will not allow you to order from our service. If there is a particular zip code without a polygon, we'll go ahead and let that go through. So if there's no polygon drawn and they have a zip code with 65202 or 201, we'll go ahead and treat that as if they're able to order. It's easy to draw a polygon. Just click on a zip code, click on the polygon tool, and then you can go ahead and draw out your area. It's important to note that you can also have more than one polygon. So if you wanted to do multiples for that particular zip code, you could do that. You can also delete a polygon, and you can also edit an existing polygon that's already in place. Okay. So now that I've shown you how you can limit your delivery area by the zone mapping, I want to show you on the restaurant level your capabilities there. So if you go into restaurants, let's go ahead and select the map-based fee. And if you go to manage delivery fees, map-based fees, you can see that this particular restaurant has map-based fees enabled. So there's a map that's been uploaded into the software. If you have map-based fees uploaded and you also have geocoding strict mode, it's important to note that the delivery area will be limited to this particular map that you've uploaded. So the first line of defense will be your delivery zones that you set up that I just showed you. If their address passes that, then we'll move on to the map-based fees. So if they do not reside in one of these maps, then the customer will not be shown this restaurant. Okay. If we go to one with a mileage-based fee, let's go ahead and click on mileage-based fees. You'll notice that there's a maximum distance field here. So this allows you to specify a maximum distance from customer's address and the restaurant's address. So for this particular restaurant, if the customer's address is more than 4 miles away, we will not show this restaurant to the customer because they're not eligible for delivery. And the maximum distance applies to all mileage-based fees, so you can see that. It's important to note that if you have GeoStrict mode enabled and you have your zone set up via polygons, and you do not have the mileage base or map base fees, it'll operate just as normal. So it'll go off of the zone based fees, so the customers will be charged what you have set up in here. We hope that you enjoy this feature, and thank you very much.